Hello everyone, my name is Dayana Diaz. I am an English student at the University of Donut. I am going to tell you a little bit about a dish that I like very much. I could say that it is incredible to belly. It is about the legend of Dania. The legend of Dania explains the origin of the Chinese New Year tradition. In ancient times, a legend Franker created called Nia, which came out on New Year, evidence there were Ioma, and how she privileged night weekends with a red, long neon and brilliant beaded scar, night a white with red decoration, firework and nice creating that cousin on the Chinese New Year. The legend symbolizes united currents and happens in the face of the universities and each year. People celebrating with this tradition, which add a little bit of Chinese New Year in this video. Observation, observation video. This is New Year Chinese. Okay, to finish, I want to ask you what you think of this legend. What is this opinion? I thought I was great. Amazing. Bye. Thank you.